What's up, gig workers? Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. It's really tough out there, so all the best. So today I'll be doing Uber Eats and DoorDash from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gigs apps. And stick around to the end because I always do a breakdown of the tips, how much I make per hour, and all that said, let's go make some money. The time is 3:58. Uber's running. Looking for orders. Our time start now. 4 o'clock. It's early in the afternoon. Might take a while to get orders going. I'm right here beside Popeyes, my favorite spot. I'm watching all these cars go by. 425, 1.4 kilometers. Popeyes. Hell yeah, take that. Uber's beat DoorDash to the punch. This zone where I'm working here, Uber Eats is pretty popular here. So that was really fast with Popeyes, in and out in 1 minute. Customers 3 minutes away, 1.6 kilometers. So arrive at customer, and instruction says here, leave it on the table beside the door. Cool. The lady came out and grabbed her food like really fast and running back. Oh, like the virus is in the air. $4.26. Well, this is Uber again. 767, 7.2 kilometers. I'll accept that. I did try that chicken sandwich last weekend. It was okay. I wouldn't buy it again. I don't know what's the big deal about it. I guess lots of people like their chicken sandwich. So drop off location 11 minutes away, 7.2 kilometers, and that's a house. Guys, make sure you wear your mask when you go deliver the food to customer. I heard the customer complain that driver don't wear their mask. So let's go drop this off. Uber Eats, $5.03, 1.9 kilometers. I'll take that. The time is 5 o'clock and no order from DoorDash yet. What's going on, DoorDash? Suck? You suck today? So I pick up that food from McDonald's. 1 minute, in and out. Woohoo! Good job, McDonald's. I don't want to jinx it though. Maybe the next order is going to take 15 minutes. Customer is 3 minutes away, 2.6 kilometers. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $12.31, 9 kilometers. Accept it. Popeyes, I'll accept it. 9 kilometers, that's a far drive. It's like 18 minutes drive. I always times the kilometers by 2. So customer is 16 minutes away. What did I say? 18 minutes? 16 minutes? So that order paid $12.32, and so far 0 order with DoorDash. Come on, DoorDash. So this is Uber, $6.22, 4.6 kilometers. Subway, Subways, they're fast anyway. I'll accept that. Still have to turn left here. So I pick up that order from Subway. Customer is 3 minutes away, 1.7. And so far, all the pickup for Uber Eats, in and out, in and out. Just 1 minute, less than a minute sometimes. So Uber is just all speed. I think they don't want to pay for wait time. No more wait money. You just go pick up your food and go deliver it. No waiting anymore. Thank you very much, Uber. Okay, this customer, it's in an apartment building. And the customer, I'm at $44.61. And the time is 6:07. I'm doing pretty good with Uber. But I don't know what's going on with DoorDash. So I finally get one from DoorDash, 23 kilometers, $13.75. DoorDash, take that and stick it where the sun don't shine. I'm not gonna take that. That's ridiculous. Look at that. You finally send me an order and it's a shitty order. Decline. I've been keep declining those 20 kilometers and it's still sending it to me. Like, why you... They send the same order again. Look. Why you sending me the order twice? I declined it the first time. So this is 10 kilometers, $13. Okay, another order from DoorDash, 17 kilometers, $12. My goodness. Decline. So the time is 6:31. I'm just gonna end my shift now because it's getting slow. I've been sitting here for 15 minutes, no order, and it's getting dark too. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, you please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Have any question, I'm willing and free to answer it, and stick around for the summary. So hey guys, welcome back, and this is the summary. I'll go through them really fast. The first one here is $8.36. Customer tip $4.10. $12.68. Customer tip $5. $10.77. Customer tip $5.74. $16.86. Customer tip $4.54. That's a good order. $7.22. Customer tip $1. This is the only customer that tip $1. The rest of them tip between $4 and $5. I had a video on my YouTube channel there about simple tip that could get more tips. Just a simple communication with your customer them. So the total of this is $55.89 minus $4 for gas. Give you a total of $51.89 divided by 2 hours and 30 minutes equal $20.75 per hour. That's a great wage per hour, $20. So always keep your communication with your customer for tips. And thank you guys for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button down below. Give a thumbs up. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. See you in the next video. Peace out.